Hey, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, whichever is appropriate for you. So welcome back to the stream. Welcome to the stream if you're new here. And as far as I can see, it's welcome back. And sorry for taking a little longer. I had some issues here. I hope the stream is doing all right because I think I had some connection issues earlier. So I hope that it's I hope that that's working. So let me know if anything's not smooth enough. So far I'm getting some warnings now and then. So that's weird. I'm just gonna quickly check on my own system. Okay, so meanwhile, while I'm doing this, I'll just do the quick intro about Outranked. Outranked is a game that we're building that is, it's kind of like running around with a rank, and every player has a rank, and it's multiplayer. It's kind of a social game, and you run around with different ranks, and you have to like tag each other, attack each other, and then if you have a higher rank, you win, and it's teams versus teams. Hey Erwin, hello, how are you? Yeah, long time no see. I had like a few dropped streams because of well, first I wasn't feeling so good, and then I had a deadline. So yeah, we somehow did not manage to. I didn't really stream while you were actually watching. So yeah, good to see you again. I also see Luca here, and welcome. I am thinking I'm putting this up, the stream up here as well, and let's see just if it drops or something. So far it's running an ad, so I can't really tell yet. So basically, let's see. Yeah, it looks good enough. All right, that's nice. So basically now, what I'm doing at this point is finishing up the core gameplay, which is pretty cool because that means that soon we'll be able to play this. I think I have to reset a couple of things, but other than that, I should be fine to go. So I'll just put it on here. All right, so here's my status. So basically what I did some things last week. Hold on, cool. Then like a week ago, and then I actually Tuesday I finished the rank picking, and also fixed the location of the preview so that you can actually pick a hat and pick a rank, and the first bit of the game is fully working. So what I'm doing here basically is reopening the project. The real-time sync should also be copying it to the second and the third one, and that should be good to go. But I've also noticed that there's a couple of things that I actually need to copy, except for only outside of the assets folder. So maybe I'll get to that now, but I'll see. My computer is spinning up, so I guess that's good. Like importing 3 projects at the same time, which should run over multiple cores. So yeah, I guess it makes him super happy, like warm. All right, let's see. So got some errors here, and they are style and UI. That's not super. That's already in now. For rendering, that's something super weird. This is something that the plugin that I have for that I've put in here for the outlines keeps removing somehow this compile symbol, which is one thing I wanted to actually copy. So I'm pressing enter, and it should compile again, and then it won't have that forward rendering renderer is missing rendering features anymore. This is weird as well. Let me just see quickly. Yeah, not great. I will, however, just try to see if they are working at this point. Build settings, that's okay, that's good. And no iOS, that's also great. Because we're not on Mac, so we cannot build the iOS version. What I'm going to do now is just see if this version still works here. I'm running on a server on an iPhone simulator screen, but it doesn't really matter. Let's see if it still wants to do stuff. Oh, game screen, huh? I hope the simulator works. It does not completely. So what I'm gonna do then, I'm gonna stop this again. And I will revert factory settings. It's sometimes it's necessary. It's really weird, but I'll close the scene, put the hierarchy here, and the game, and now see if the simulator works. It does not. That is silly, to say the least. Let me just quickly go to the this one. It is defined here, so that is weird. What then? What then? Let me... That's weird. So what I did some time ago was resetting everything, and then sharing violation. That's extremely strange. Well, yeah, I'm gonna reset here as well. Layouts, revert, continue. No reference immediately. That's so stupid. Default. Clear. I'm going to get that console pro, put it in here as well, and then inspector. I don't know. Is it? It is. Yeah, it's not that thing. I know that one as well, but no. Unfortunately, it's not that one. But then I think after I've reset it, I can simply restart Unity and then we'll be fine, because there was some residue of the last. Somehow there's some, I don't know which one, but there's one of the plugins in the UI that causes this, which is super annoying, but I can get over it. So this one actually does work, doesn't it? No, it does not. Ah, okay, well. I'll just open them again. And another one. There we go, that looks much cleaner. Let's see. Yes, there we go. Yeah, it's just something that stays in the layout, which I can handle this. It's not that bad. All right, 50, so that looks good. Yes, there we go. And then this one, good. Same. And simulator. Yes, there we go. All right, simulating the small screen I want to simulate again. And 250. Oh, 50. All right, good. We've got our clients set up, and now I can actually test again what stage we were actually at. Yeah, that's low enough. Damn, I shouldn't do that. I should actually somehow set up separate names in these ones, but I think that the player settings are saved. The player preferences are saved system-wide, so it wouldn't work. Anyway, maybe it should just pick a random name or something. There we go. And we're both ready to play, and that's good. And I didn't change the color here yet. That's one thing to do. I don't know. That's ready. And there you go. We see the pick your rank thing. I mean, I'm just gonna pick some ranks. 5-star and assassin. So let me just walk here, and that's the last thing I did. Let me see if they can find each other. We're completely passing each other. No, they did. Nice. So basically now it's going near, and then at a certain, it's very close right now. Yes, that you can attack. So what I'm going to do next is make sure that we actually do something with the attack, and that they get an outline and stuff, and then that the attack actually resolves, which means, I guess, that like the core game would be playable as soon as that resolving leads to the player being able to return to his base, his or her base, and then going to like pick a new rank. All right, so let's think. First things first is I mean, the outline I can do later. I could just first let the game, well, let's just do one thing at a time and first let it actually work. So what I'm gonna do is go into the game room bit, and let's see, so the attack button first, and then also I have to be able to click the player when it's highlighted. That's a bit more interesting because I have to do some kind of raycast there while I'm actually not using physics here. So I shouldn't do a raycast, I should just do like a intersection thing. No, not that one. Let's see. It's the speech button. So there's an icon in the bottom right. That's attack. There we go. Attack icon. So that's a button, isn't it? Yeah, this is the button. It does not really do anything yet. That is correct. So for now, I'm just gonna, hey Tom. So let's see. I'm going to make a function in the, let's see, it's the game logic. Yeah, it's still that object that does everything for this specific client. Alright, so attacking. Let's see if I can have the server determine if the player is actually eligible to attack the other player. And that we'll simply do by distance, but later on I'll have to actually make that a little bit more complex because they have to be in line of sight. If you like, well, maybe actually if it's this close, then we could just do it like this. That would be very nice. Okay, so this works. Have to take care of a lot of contingencies, like when players drop out and stuff, but that's for later. We first get to test the game play, like the main gameplay, the alpha version. Yeah, so I'm thinking of splitting this, because this is kind of like the Oh. No, it's doing that again. Damn it. All right, let me check what's going on here. Seems like my network cable is having no trouble. No. Upload speed is also not the trouble. So what is the trouble then? I don't see any issues right now. But just now, yeah, just now there were some issues. What is that? Oh my god, that was a lot. Maybe there's something open here. Let me just check that and then I'll continue. OBS, that's what I want. Something system is using my GPU very much. That's weird. AB. There was some installer still running. Just click this. Super weird. Yeah, most of the time it's okay. Okay. Well, I'm thinking that there's something going on this computer that I used to stream here, the OBS one. But right now it seems okay. Yeah. I'll actually close some stuff that I usually have open here. I don't need to see that stream. I don't need to be in Discord anymore. That looks okay now. That one. I just forgot to quit my backup system. Alright, so maybe there won't be any troubles further on. Yeah, just let me know if it's breaking up again. Let me see, where were we? Oh yeah, I was talking about splitting this file because it's becoming kind of a blob. It's not really bad as such. I mean, it's bad design code-wise, but the most important thing is that it's becoming too big to have like a real overview right now. But I don't want extra objects because it's just an overhead in the network side. So what I'm gonna do is make partial classes. So I think I'll just do that right now. I'm going to make an extra file. Game logic is game logic. Why when I scroll it? Oh yeah, weird. I duplicate it, and this will be. Let's split it into logical bits. This is the lobby logic or pre-game logic, and then the rest will be in-game logic. Game logic pre-game, and the other one will be game logic in-game. So let me see where I'm gonna make the split here. So basically I'm gonna have this pre-game thing be almost everything that I've done so far. Partial there, and the other one also partial, and then I'm gonna remove those here. I've already got those in the other file. That will be less errors, and now I'm just gonna have to remove a lot of other things. So gonna keep, maybe I should actually keep the another file. Duplicate this. Game logic, the central one, like say core, and then that will be, let's actually open it. That will have these kind of things and all the variables. That makes sense. And start is actually pre-game, so I'm going to remove that. I'll remove that here, and I'll remove it from in-game. Alright, so pre-game has that, but it also has these declarations now. That's not good. This should go out of here and stay in the core. Also, all these declarations here, they go. Alright, when I start here is start. Start is pre-game, then what else? Let's just use core to, well, add player is pre-game, spawn arena is pre-game, set add base is pre-game, confirmed hat, pick hat, pick team, that's all pre-game, add player to team, ready pressed, ready state changed, teams confirmed, show cards. That is actually in-game, because you can keep on. So I'm gonna go until show cards, and I'm taking that away from core and from in-game. Hold on. Show cards. There we go. Alright, so save. Then show cards in pre-game gets taken away because show cards is actually in-game. Request cards left, send cards left. Fixed update. I'll just actually take that out now because I don't need it anymore. Spawn player is pre-game. Okay, so let's continue here with, I'll take fixed update out, and then spawn player is actually pre-game. New guy as well. Pick rank is not. Alright. So new guy, yes, pick rank. Pick rank goes, picked rank, rank assigned, that's all in-game, and there we are. Pick rank, and rank assigned. This is in-game, and then here we actually don't use all these. Alright. So basically core now has the variables and all the structs here. Pre-game has the pre-game stuff, and in-game has the in-game stuff. And the nice bit about C# is that you have these partial class files. I mean, there's lots of languages that do this, but then I can actually spread this over multiple files so it doesn't become like one big thing that I can't oversee anymore. So pre-game, I'm actually also gonna kind of, can I, that's not good, right? Can I, oh yes, that's with, no, I can't. Somehow when I like close all of those, but maybe there's a trick. Oh. So then I have a list of the functions here. Alright. Pre-game should be done for now. Let's go to in-game. Core is fine. Let's go to in-game. Alright, so basically now there's this showing the cards, picking the cards, picking a rank. Rank is assigned. And then we go to attacks. So player attacks, asks the server if it's fine to attack. So let's make a remote function call for attack. That's just simply it. Yeah, and then that should be I'm gonna attack the target player from attacking player target player. So basically that's the client saying I'm going to attack. Whoops. No, the target has to be not, that's not in the button. So basically gonna set the button to that now. Hold on, what? Come on. There we go. That is correct, and that's why I didn't really recompile. Oops. Okay. Now we can go. Why is it not concealed? Oh my god. Oh, whoopsie. What the hell did I do there? RFCs. Yes, there we go. That's better. And there we go. Yes. Attack button. Click on click. Saving failed. That's weird. Game logic. Hold on. What? I need to have one, I guess. I need to have one that actually has the same name for the partial class as the partial class, the same name as the file name. So let's see if it works now. Yes, now it does. Okay, cool. So there we go. Game logic, and I say attack. Okay, cool. So the logic should know now, the client side should know that there is an attack collision with. And that is in simple physics object. Hold on. There. On collision enter. That one. I've used that one. In. Character. There we go. On SPO collision enter. So character knows which one is actually the other object. Do we know about, what do we know about the other object? We know it's game object. So we have to see which one is the closest. Let's do that. Let's do that later. To do order by order list of enemies by distance. because we want to always like have one that we can attack, and that's the closest one. And then right now I'm just gonna say the other one is the one that's gonna be set as the target. So I have like the character of the same thing, the player itself here. Hey, hello, welcome to the stream. Let's see what I'm going to do here. The character that's spawned from game logic, so it should have the same reference, so I can if it's mine. Yeah, so do I do this? No, I don't, of course. No. There's awake, there it is. I'm not setting anything on the game logic client, which I should do. So let me just close some of these. Hey, it's not open. Oh, of course it's not. Game logic, pre-game, game logic, in-game. There we go. So right now I'm going to make this character, which is my own character. Oops. And that would be... Or can I just do that with a singleton for the one that is me, just like I did here with client instance. What I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna do it. Yes, I'm gonna do it in here. Character, player character, and then that will be private, and I will use it. Oops, and I will use it in the. At the moment, I'm spawning the player. I'm spawning that thing. Yes, and this is done in. That's interesting. This stuff is called on each one. Character is game object dots. So if I say like if this is my own, can I already say this? No, I probably can't. No, sorry, I have to know. Character has a, yeah, it's a TNO. What I want to do, what I'm actually thinking about here is like the server has these references to all those game logics for every client, and I want to actually link that to the actual character for every client so that I can check them with each other. So I'm gonna say character dot set game logic this, because it's getting called. That is not correct. That is not correct. It's getting called from the one that owns it. I still have to look into this bit, I think, for TNet. Because it doesn't seem logical to not have a reference to the the creating instance. Can I just send No, hold on. TN manager dot player ID. That's my current player ID. I think I can do this, and then in the. Oh, this is static. No, it doesn't. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Haha. This is an interesting question here. So when I get created, I could simply say that I want to check the GameLogic.client instance dot set character. Does that make sense? Because then if I am in, I'm here, and then it does set characters on the actual instance. But does it know? Then I should say tnmanager.playerID for the character. So then, yeah, I guess that makes sense. But no, this doesn't work. Alright, let's just do it statically. Because then I can do it on the server and in the. Okay, let's see if this does now make sense. I've got, yeah, spawn player, new guy, and then it's going to be internal static void set character. Oops. Set character and character. And then that one should be okay with it. Takes 2 arguments. Yeah, of course. Player ID. Okay, so if I am on the server, then I will have to assign it to the correct game logic thingy. And if I'm not, then I'm going to check if I am actually the player ID. tmanager.playerID is equal to player ID. Then I will say player character. This is static again. Void set player character for the instance. That's where I'm going to do it. So then I'm going to say, for this one, I'm going to say client instance dot set player character That will be player character. I can actually just do that. Yeah, I can actually just do that. Duh. Alright, that's the one. That's what I want to do. If I'm on the server, then there's no such thing as client instance. What did I do again for that bit? Instances here. Yes, for the channel ID. Yes, okay. So that's interesting. Oh, hold on. It's not true, it's not true. It doesn't have its own player character, of course, per instance. Damn it. This is just simply enough. I'm not on the server and the player. I mean, I don't even have to check that because there's not going to be a player character for the server. So okay, that was quite a lot of thinking here, but I think what I did now is set the character instance on the client, which I could just have done much more easily. It works this way. There's no reason it doesn't perform badly or whatever. All right, let's go. Now that I have this, I can actually check if the attack is valid. So that's in game. There we go. So the attacking player and the target player, I can check both of their characters. Oh yeah, that's what I was actually gonna do. So character, I'm saving all of them. Yes, list of characters, players. That's not. No. Let's just call them characters. It makes sense. This is the tnet list. Yes. All right. I will instantiate that stuff. Maybe I should move. Yes, I should move some stuff to game logic itself. This bit. And this will be init. And start goes to game logic with all the initialization. Yeah, that's more logical. There. Yes, nice. All right, so characters. Yes, never read. I'm not using it yet. No, that's true. So characters. Characters is going to be a new list of characters. And then when I add a character, characters dot hold on. Client instance dot characters dot add character. Yeah. But I actually want to be able to get them by player ID, so I'm just going to put them in a dictionary instead of a list. Dictionary from int to character, and that's going to be that one. System generate. Otherwise it's annoying. And then here, add player ID character. And then this only happens for client instance. Oh yeah, I am gonna. Do this always, and then on the server, reversing this logic here. Oops. On the server, I have to add it to the instance of this channel, which I can. No. All right, so hold on. How do I get the channel then? All right, it's a static method, so how do I get the correct channel? How did I do that with the initialization? That's here. dno.genID this, and then I've got an instance here. Well, I must be using this. I must be using these somewhere. I just forgot that. Let me see. At base, yeah, that's where I'm doing that. That's actually from an object itself, so I guess I have to do while I have an object. So I'll have to give it, pass it along. That makes most sense, I think. Channel ID, instances, channel ID dot characters dot add player ID character. Okay, so then the characters thing will be okay no matter what, if I'm on the server or I am on the client. So now in the attack phase, that's actually in an instance. Yeah, I will have access on the server here as well as on the client. That's that's never gonna work. Attack player. I'm just gonna rename it attack player. How did that not get flagged? That's weird. Oh, because it has a different signature. Duh. Okay, but still, I don't want it to be called the same. So this is attack, and then it must be finding the one that was triggered. I just set that when on collision enter there. Here, I didn't set it yet. Okay, so move target, move vector has target, team, like renderer. Here we go. This one will have a character or game object. What's the quickest? I think the quickest is the SP object because it needs to change it all the time. Yes. Targeted player. And then when there is a collision, where is it? Other. Targeted player is other. I have to check this for, no, I have to check it for the presence of a character. Yeah. I have to check it for the presence of a character thingy anyway. If no, a targeted player is gonna be character other. Does other have a component character? If it does, if other, I could leave that out in Unity actually, this, but I'm not gonna. It reads more nicely this way. If it's not null, then I'm gonna save that for later. And that means that later bit means when I'm attacking. So targeted player needs to be readable. Where was it? Here. So I'm going to make it internal. And then let's see about game logic in game attack. Okay, so this that's not correct. I have to set it. So basically when I do attack, oh, that's on the, yeah, that is true. Actually, it is set on the one itself. So for the one that does attack, there is a current character player character dot targeted player. That's the one I need. And what I'm going to do with it, it's a character. Okay, so character has a player ID. So maybe I should actually save that here. Might be quickest. Or can I already get it from the? No, that's not handy. No, let's just save that. Int player ID. On awake, TNO is not mine. Yeah. So player ID. Is the actual player ID for, no, that's not true. That's not true. That's it. I think that's correct. It's the player ID of the creator of this object. That's not correct, is it? This is also not correct. Dang. This is the player that is actually, no, that doesn't work. I have to get the owner. The owner of the object. Dang it. How do I get that? It's a creator player ID, but it doesn't get created. Or does it? I don't remember this. It's quite a few weeks ago. Pre-game, hold on. New guy, blah blah blah. Spawn player is called where? Player ID is sent along. That's interesting. Setting head state for all, when a spawn player somehow it is sent to the server. The server spawns it. I don't remember this. Dang. Spawn player, instantiate. Huh. That's weird, because right now it seems that I'm instantiating this from the server. Oh, it's not on the server. Confirmed hat. Server player ID. Oh, it sends to the, yeah, so it sends it to the player itself actually spawns, which means that this is correct. Where was I doing it? This one, the creator player ID, that's actually the player ID. So, and that should be the one I'm setting to the character as well. Huh. Then, okay. Yes. So I'm basically then calling this, and now I know the ID finally. Let's just copy this from another one to the server. I'm sending to the server attack player with the targeted player dot player. Oh, I can't access that now. Player ID, no. Internal int player ID, and then I'm actually not sure what the .NET, now that I'm doing this, .NET code style internal capitalization. It's like I follow these. This is one I really like, that definitely. Capitalized. Oh, really? Naming conventions. Huh. Identifier names, naming conventions. Oh. Alright, I'm doing it differently anyway. Okay, that's 11. Never mind then. Interesting. Then I don't know which one I'm using. Well, so what am I sending? I'm sending the target player. That's that one. And the attacking player is actually player. One of those again, huh? Let's ban those people. Report spam. All right. They're gone. Player character. That's actually the player ID itself, so I already have that, don't I? Yes, because this is happening on player ID. There we go. Then I'm sending that so that the server can determine yes, the server can determine that it is correct or not. Whether it's correct or not. Somehow I have to check if there's a way of seeing if the server actually sent the message to a client, because that's something that you could get in between as a hacker. Well, for now, the server has to check through the player characters, and he has to go through them. No, actually not. Yeah, characters, attacking player, and we have the characters target player, and then I have to check those two to see if they're close enough. Actually want to make this one accessible. Is that correct? Can I do that? No, I won't. I don't need to actually. Transform dot position. Now actually want to check only the X and Z position. The SPO is not synced, so let's not do that. It is not, right? It is SP object. Right, so move target, position send timer. I don't remember when I'm sending on move. Here, fix update, translate. Oh, there. Update position, SPO.position is sent. And SPO.position gets set, so I can actually read it. I should be able to read it in the server side as well. So I will do this, what I was trying to do earlier, make SPO accessible, and actually go to SPO.position, and position is a vector 2. Yes, that's better. Okay, so now I can get the distance, vector 2.distance between that one and that one. Now I have to do some check at frame, check at a stored frame, because this is where you have to do the client-side prediction and server reconciliation. This server reconciliation is this part, is like where I have to, the server has to save the previous X frames, like, I don't know, 50 or something, maybe not even 50, for the position for every character, so that it can check at the time that the other person actually sent their position. For now, I'm not going to do it yet, just keeping it simple, but it needs to be done. If the distance, what is actually the interaction distance? Do I have that over here? Get component SP object. It's already on there, is it? Okay. Break key SP object radius 0.8. Okay, so I can check the radius. Is it readable? Internal. Interesting. Oh man, it's gonna work, but I should really check that kind of stuff. If distance is, I mean, I do actually check the both circles. Whoa. Oh yeah, duh. That's good there. Check circle, circle, radius plus radius. Yes. That's simply the same thing that it's going to check now. If the distance is smaller than the SP object, SPO1, SPO2, SPO1 will be the attacking, and SPO2 will be the target, and then SPO1.position, SPO2.position, and then I should check SPO1.radius plus SPO2.radius. Is that what I want to do? Yes, that's what I want to do. This means they can actually go through with it. And that is I can send in this case I should really check that it's coming from the server, so I have to look into that. So I'm going to go to RFCs dot player attacked, sending it to everyone, or wow, that's an interesting one. I just have to send it to the ones that are in range. To do send to everyone in range. This is actually one thing that we did not do yet with the game design, so we should check that. Who can see the result of an attack? Yeah. Interesting. Now the yeah, so the attacking player and the target player, and then the ranks actually, because they don't know that of each other. And I'm going to send it to both of them. Or everyone. I don't know. We'll have to figure that out in gameplay terms. Like, do we want to send the fact that there has been an attack to everybody and then just the ranks to the players that were involved, or do we only want to send the fact that they attacked at all only to themselves? I'm pretty much thinking that, actually, because it's just a result that people are seeing. But maybe we don't want to do some kind of option that you can see in this game, and you can see that there has been a death. Okay, well, attacking player, target player, and then we'll have the attacking player dot rank. Do we have that? No, of course not, because this is an int. I should character 1, character 2, let's save those as well. And then character 1 dot I don't have any rank there. Where do I actually set that? I only do that in the icon at this point. Oh, that's in game already. I was there. Pick rank, picked rank. Rank assigned to the player, and it's not getting. Am I kidding? It's not really getting set anywhere. It's just sending it. Oops. All right. So basically the server has to remember, and the player doesn't even have to remember. No, the server has to remember. So the server says the server is gonna store those ranks in the requester rank. Okay, cool. So characters requester dot rank is gonna be rank, and the character will have a rank. That makes sense. Yes. internal int rank, and it should start at -1, so that there's nothing there. And then that's assigned only on the server. Now it would also be nice to assign it for the self rank here. Target player is myself. Yeah. I'm not sure that we're gonna send this all out. Let's see. To discuss if sent with rank info. Like the rank has been with target info. The rank has been assigned, but do we actually want to send that to all the teammates? Maybe we do. Do we want to get info on all our teammates' ranks? I think so, but not sure, not completely sure. Rank. So self rank set rank, and also player character dot rank is rank. Yeah, that's if it's me. But I also actually want to see it for the others. Yeah, so did I set characters for every? Yes, okay, I added them. Okay, so I can definitely do that now. All right, so the rank is saved for all the characters that I know the rank of, and then player tagged, attacking player, and target player, and then so the rank of the first character and the rank of the second character, which was not known to either of them. Like their own were known, but the others weren't. So I'm gonna send it to attacking player. I'm sending it to target. Whoa! Just send it to target player. This is not looking great, but I should see if there's a nicer way to do that. For now, I need the enum value here, and player tagged. Yeah, that's just what I need now. And let's just do that quickly, and then it's going to be the end of the stream. Player tagged. Whoa. Player tagged. So the attacking player, the target player, attack rank, target rank, attacking. Let's just keep it the same. And then we can resolve this. So, I mean, if the client would resolve it differently, it wouldn't help them. No. So that we can do that client side. And this is basically dying for the for now. Yeah, I'm gonna do that next time or in between. Ranks were attacking rank versus defending rank, target rank. So let's just for now do this. No, let's say rank win. Attacking rank and target rank. and I'll make this little void bool rank win, like first win, first wins. Int rank 1, int rank 2. So let's just say for now return rank 1. No, it's going to be a result. Rank result. Oh, it could be a comparison result. Nah. Let's see. If rank 1 is bigger than rank 2, then we'll return 1. If that's actually a comparison thingy. And then if rank 1 is equal to rank 2, then we'll return 0, and otherwise we'll return -1. So result is rank result, and this needs to be put in special ranks. I have to do that, and then the rank result now is just one is bigger than the other, so ranks are so, and then we've got like string result as for now. If the result is 0, then we're gonna say it's a draw, and then if the result is equal to 1, then we're gonna look at if the result is equal to 1 and the player ID is my own player ID. It's actually, this is only if I'm not on the server. Well, it doesn't get sent to the server. So tn manager.player ID is equal to attacking rank. That's not easy. String result string. If I'm not going to do this in inline. Result string is going to be it's a draw, and then oops, and then else. If result is 1, if the player ID is the attacking rank. Hold on. Oh yeah, I can do this. If this is true, or result is 0, -1, and the manager.player ID, player ID is the target rank, player, oops. So this is 1 means the first one was higher, and I'm the first one, or the second one was higher. Yes, and I'm the second one, so that means I win. And then else, oh, blah. You lose. That's it. So result string. That should do it. And there's probably loads of errors here, so might not even be able to run it right now. That's weird. What? What's going on here? I can do this. It didn't get refreshed again. Oh. No errors. Oh yeah. Exit prefab, definitely exit prefab. Importing there, starting the server. Host game. I said host game. What? Something going on? Huh. Something is going wrong. This is strange. One more. Channel 4 is added, but this one doesn't go on anymore. That is insane. Ah, dang. I had hoped that you could just... show this, but apparently not. What changed on instance? Yes, well, sorry to disappoint you there. That's funny. Let's see what's happening here. The room gets, that's here. Is it set character that goes wrong? No, there's no errors there, so it's super weird. So basically it gets, this is the normal one. I always had that, and it just doesn't go on now. That's so weird. I create a room. Spawn arena, add player, send join. Oh, there, derp. I split start into start and init, yet I never called init. Alright, that's easy enough. That was quite derp. Alright, server running, client, come on, you can do it. You can do it. There we go. That's the way we want to see it. What did I click on there? Oh, so it's a hierarchy tab. Okay. Join, red, poof, blue, poof, antlers, braids, whatever. Poof. Okay, so this one is 5-star, and this one will be 3-star. And I'm thinking that I've done it the opposite way, but let me just see if it works. Walking. And this one too. There we are. Attack. Boom. Let's see. Ranks were 1 versus 3, so you lose. Yeah. That's correct. So that's what I actually need to. But it does work here. It's sent to the server. This one is attacking that one. The server checks the distance, sends. Okay, this one attacks that one. Ranks were 1 versus 3, so that means that it should win actually. But that's just the logic I have to make. So it does work now. So nothing happens, of course, but no matter who attacks, it's lose and win. That is perfect. Which means there's just one step to go. 2 steps to go before we can actually go and beta test this. One is becoming a ghost and going back to pick a new rank. and the other one is the code book, which I had wanted to explain and do in this specific stream, but there was no time because I'm already out of time. Yes, I'm basically just gonna commit this stuff. So let's just give you the little bit of the preview on what we mean by code book. The code book will be like every player So, okay, let's start at the beginning. We had this discussion that if you're playing this game with a group of friends, it's going to be shit if you have to go out of your call or whatever you're in, or if like you just can hear the people who are near to you. So there's going to be two ways to play. One is when you're all in the call and you have to like talk in code about the ranks that you've seen. So there has to be some shared code book for like this player is going to be like the monkey, and that player is going to be the elephant, or so there's going to be icons for every player, and then icons for every rank. So then you can say, oh, people, I've just been killed because the monkey is rank diamond, and diamond, for instance, in this case means 2 stars, or a rank hammer, or rank hourglass, or any object. So there will be like a library of objects that gets like coded over the players and over the rank. So the players will all get an animal, like of the other teams. You can see for your team there's an assignment of specific animals for players and objects for the ranks. So you can just talk about it without them knowing what you mean, but they could decipher it anyway. But that's that could actually be also a nice aspect of the game. And then also, if you do use it with the server side, like sort of proposition based voice chat, so you can only hear whenever you're near someone, then you also need to be aware that somebody who is a ghost can get close to you and actually hear what you're saying, or an enemy could get close and just hear what you're saying. So that's that you can even then use that codebook. So that's the second thing that needs to be finished, and then we can actually start beta testing. And we need to do a lot of things, but I'm going to have a lot of time during the Christmas holiday. So hopefully we'll be able to finish the beta and then roll out a version by the end of the year or beginning of next year. So hopefully getting some help as well, a little bit of coding help. We'll see about that. For now, I have added the attacking logic. Did I change anything else? Not much. No. Yeah, splits. That's a minor thing. All right, that's it. And I'm signing off. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked this stream, please like, subscribe, follow, whichever is appropriate. Of course, you can subscribe too on Twitch. That would be awesome. But at least just do give us a like. And of course, come back for the next one. Tell your friends about it, anything like that. And also, if you really like all this and you want to support our studio, you can become a patron on Patreon. We've got an account set up. It's in the description on YouTube, and link is in the our profile on Twitter. Twitch. I am tired. Sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna end with a bit of music. We've not fully finished the music for this game yet, so I'm just gonna do the last bit of the bit of music that I did last numerous times. I don't know, like 10 times or something. It's the one I made for Ludum Dare 2 months ago, and it's called Ultra Normal Tension. And have a good day, evening, or night. Thank you. Bye bye.